Good morning, friend. Today we discuss the fifth word from paper 10, unit for linguistic notes. And this fifth word is shampoo. And it is a common words, and we can say the colloquial words is mostly used in every day, and mostly I think that is a popular words among the girls. They mostly use I shampooed my hair today, and we know about that. And that's in the easy way to suggest that the shampoo is a common word that. But we here try to know about the history of the word shampoo. So first, the words shampoo is derived from Anglo-Indian words, or we can say that because Anglo-Indian words, it was whenever the British rule over the India, that's why they use the words. Those are the some of the English, or we can say Indian words in their English. That's why it is called the Anglo-Indian words. And it is originally Hindi words. Champo or champna means to press muscles. In 1762, in 18th century in India, in particularly Hindi, the people use that word champu or champna, do the massage or to press the muscles. Then that word originally we can say that how to came in the Hindi. It is came from the our classical language Sanskrit. It is the Sanskrit word kapayati, ponds. Kapayati means, in Sanskrit word kapayati means pounds, nets, or in simply meanings wash the hair. In Sanskrit, that word chapati used in the wash the hair, and from the Sanskrit that word derived to the Hindi language champa, and from Hindi it become the Anglo-English Indian words or Anglo-English words shampoo. The journey of the word shampoo from originated into Sanskrit language. From Sanskrit language it came to the kapayati, came to the champo or champuna in Hindi, or from Hindi it become the shampoo in Anglo-Indian words. Friends, we understand that context and originated of that word shampoo. It originated from the Mughal Empire, the Mughal Empire of Babur, Humayun, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, etc. And of this Mughal Empire, the Nawab of Bengal had a head massager in his palace, and this head massager massaged the body and head with the oil. That oil is not just ordinary oil, but the oil had the content of alakhi, natural oils, and third one is the added the fragrance. And through this oil, the massager massaged the head of Nawab of Bengal. And that time that word shampoo is used. But in 18th century in Bengal, or in India, but that words first time used in Britain or in English language, particularly not Anglo-Indian, but in English language, that time first time used or founded in Britain in early 19th century in 1862, and gradually after the from 18th century to 19th century and from 19th century to 20th century or modern time, the word shampoo applying for the new meanings. And that new meanings is, friends, shampoo means a soap or liquid to wash the hair. Okay, friend, you easily understand the meaning of the words now. Okay, thank you.